like a summer birthday party, like a rainy afternoon, like a music box in the morning on a Saturday in June. She came silver laughing, gentle, holding happy in her hand, just a tissue paper present that I couldn't understand. We were happy for that summer, saying nothing much at all. Slow smiling walks, no need to talk, not thinking of the fall. Quiet laughing, gentle in the middle of the night, with her smell upon the pillow, making everything alright. But there's a hole in the sky now, my world's pouring through. No more walking on rainbows or tasting the dew. Hole in the sky now, my world's in the wind. Can't see where I'm going, can't say where I've been. I gave her a rainbow prism light, memories and time. I gave her rings and fancy things, I wished her life to rhyme. I brought and bought and gave her, tried to show her silver seas. I could buy and wish and bring her, but I couldn't give her me. And there's a hole in the sky now, my world's pouring through. No more walking on rainbows or tasting the dew. Hole in the sky now, my world's in the wind. Can't see where I'm going, can't say where I've been. Something dies in autumn, must be something in the air. That autumn left her quiet, till I couldn't see her there. She went away in autumn, walking softly, smiling slow. Went away so very softly that I couldn't see her go. And there's a hole in the sky now, my world's pouring through. No more walking on rainbows, tasting the dew. Hole in the sky now, my world's in the wind. Can't see where I'm going, can't say